prior to this year. Prescott toward the end zone. Bodies tangled. Flag down. Catch made by Dez Bryant for a touchdown if it stands.
No doubt it's on Batamosi, a backup right corner. And credit to Batamosi, you can't have better coverage. But the great Dez Bryant with his 66th career TD.
Defense number 29. That penalty is declined. Result of the play is a touchdown.
Unbelievable concentration by Bryant. He's got his hands on Batamosi's face mask. Batamosi gets called with the penalty, but you sit up here in the press box, Sean, you know it's a matter of time before they probe that matchup repeatedly.
7th touchdown catch